Hello everyone. It has been a while. I kind of took off after NaNoWriMo to catch my breath and experience Christmas and the new year. It's been a whirlwind. But I wanted to hop on and get back to regular scheduling and regular videos. And I thought the best way to do that would be to start with sharing my 2018 word for the year, because I'm pretty sure you guys know that I choose a word every year for focusing on during the new year rather than doing resolutions. I kind of do resolutions too, but the word tends to stick with me and it's a main focus throughout the year. But I'm also going to share this yummy stack of journals and planners that I am going to be in for 2018. I am going to, you guys that know me know that I'm an oil girl. I'm going to put on some oil here before I dive into my little video. This is Joy. This is one of my favorite blends. I used to not like the smell of it because it is very floral, but it's just like, it's a pick-me-up and it just smells so good. So now that I've got my oils on, I am ready to dive in and show you guys. Okay, so my word for the year is I am. And the reason that that word I feel like chose me is because I have been on such a roller coaster of a journey trying to figure out what my purpose is outside of being a wife and mom and homeschooler, and just find my place in the world. And I know that my biggest hindrance, my biggest enemy up until this point has been my own mind and believing that I am who I say I am. So my word for the year is I am. And with that comes a grounding confidence in all that I want to manifest for 2018 in regards to who I want to be and who I am now. So with that being said, I want to show you guys some of the things, some of the journals that I'm going to be in daily. These are my daily journals slash planner. Okay, so the first one, this was amazing, a wonderful find. I don't even know how it found me, but after I found my word, there was a sponsored post on Instagram that popped up, and this was what it was. It is the I Am Journal. I don't know if you guys can read this. The I Am Journal, Manifest Your Burning Desire. And I will put these links down below for you guys to check out if you're interested in getting your own I Am Journal. But when I saw it and my word was I am, I had to purchase it. So let me just show you guys what this is. This is a daily morning and evening practice that you do, and it's a journal that you fill out. So this is the morning routine or the morning ritual, and you write in the date, so it's not dated, which I love, and you write your burning desire statement, which at the beginning of the book it teaches you how to find your burning desire statement. Then you record what intentional actions you're going to take that day to attract your burning desire, and then how will you feel while making those conscious efforts. And then you write an I am statement down at the bottom, an affirmation for the morning. Then before you go to bed, you do your evening ritual. And once again, you have your morning and you put the date, and then you have your evening and you put the date. You write your I am statement. What 3 things are you grateful for today? How did you serve the universe today? And how does it feel to experience your burning desire today? And that's how it is every day, page after page. It's really a beautiful journal. So I've started it. I find that I'm really great at the morning ritual, but I need to start being better about filling it out at night. Okay, so I'm in that. I got this for Christmas from my little brother, and it is the 365 questions, 5 years, 1,825 answers Q&A 5-year journal. So I've already started. I started it on Christmas Day, and I have been going through and answering all of the questions. I did not do yesterday's. But this is really cool because you write the year, and on that day you answer the question. So January 1st, what is your mission? And then you go through. So I can show you, I'll read you one of my answers. We'll do Christmas, the day that... Okay, write down 5 words that describe today. And you know that I break the rules. So I wrote family, and Tony, because he's family, fountain pens, Etsy gifts, cinnamon rolls, fruit salsa, and love languages. So I'm really in love with it. I think it's really awesome. So I'm going to be in that every day. Then I have these 2, which you guys know that I'm a composition girl, journal person. So this is my, and I started this, let me see here. I started, oh, I didn't write the date. Usually I write the date that I start, December 9th. So my cover is evolving, but I started it December 9th, and I do have another video that I'll post. I went and did a fall journal flip last year, I believe. No, it was, wow, it was 2016 that I did the fall journal flip. But this is how I am labeling my journals now. So this is, my hashtag is #rememberingiam, because that's my word. And then I have 2018 volume 1. And this will be my winter, because I'm trying to, this year, my plan is to stay in composition notebooks and have a winter, a spring, a summer, and a fall collection. So this one is really awesome. I found it on Amazon, and it is cheese. And it was perfect for Art Lockdown, because Art Lockdown, we eat lots of cheese. And so I loved it. And I love decomposition notebooks. So I am in that every morning for my morning mindset pages, which I will share a little bit more about what those are in another video. And the planner that I chose for 2018, and I'm completely in love with it, I don't use it in its typical way, is the Passion Planner. And there are tons of videos on YouTube on the Passion Planner, but mine, I use my Passion Planner. It's a mixture of a planner and a bullet journal, because I found that I want both, but I don't want them in 2 separate places. But anytime I've tried keeping a bullet journal, it just hasn't worked for me. Drawing out everything every month, like, it's just a lot of work. And a planner didn't have everything I wanted in it. So what I did was I got this Passion Planner, and I've added these sticky pen loops. So I keep my fountain pen and a highlighter for the week, because I choose a highlighter every week. And then I use it in its normal fashion. So like, you've got the month, but I also add things. So this is my habit tracker. And then this is my dreamy intentions for January. And then I have a whole bunch of stuff in the back using it as a bullet journal. So I have my capsule wardrobe notes. I have my PhD program for this year that I will share a little bit more about that. A friend and I write our own PhD program for the year. 100 things I want to accomplish, my tracking system for my business, YouTube ideas, like I've got lots of lists in the back. So I use it as a planner and a bullet journal, which I will do a flip. I'm planning on being in it for a month so that I can really give you guys a full review of what I think about it and how I am using it. So stay tuned for that. That'll be at the end of January, where I'll take you through my month. But that is it, guys. That's my word and all the yummy journals for 2018. And I will be going into each of these a little bit more with you guys. And let's see, what else do I want to talk about? All the things you have to look forward to with my channel. Lots of journaling stuff, planning, highly sensitive videos, because hello, this is real life and I'm a highly sensitive introvert. Some oily goodness, favorites at the end of the month, because I just love those videos. So why not do them myself? So I'm keeping track of the different things that I love throughout the month, and I'll share those with you, including a favorite book of the month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have a word for the year and what it is, and the journals that you're going to be using for 2018. All right, I will talk with you guys later. Until next week.